Well, the auto market is extremely important to us. We don't see that diminishing. Across the globe, auto OEMs are demanding weight savings to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. We're developing the advanced high-strength steels needed to achieve that goal. We've been very successful in stepping up to meet that challenge through sophisticated products like UZIBOR, our patented press-hardenable steel. Increasingly, we're working with our customers and their suppliers to offer not just steel, but also solutions, leveraging such assets as our unique co-engineering capabilities and our patented laser welding techniques. An excellent example of the breakthroughs we're achieving is the new hot-stamped door ring for Honda's Acura MDX, the first application of a design that promises to become an industry standard. Our research and development teams, as well as the operations technology people in our plants, are constantly working to expand the possibilities for steel, so you can expect more innovation to come. As the pace of innovation in automotive body design increases, the competitive arena is expanding to include other materials, such as aluminum. Because of its high cost and relatively complex manufacturing requirements, aluminum has typically been limited to high-end luxury cars. We expect that to continue. We certainly will see, though, and are seeing, programs that seek to adapt aluminum to mass-market vehicles as one response to regulatory requirements. Nevertheless, we've proven that these requirements can equally be met by our advanced high-strength, reduced-weight steels, but with lower purchase cost, proven manufacturing techniques, well-established consumer acceptance, reduced cost of ownership, and better life cycle environmental performance than aluminum. This is the reason why, in general, auto manufacturers are sticking with steel and working closely with us to design the solutions that will provide the best value to their customers.